Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a winner for the giveaway I had this week. The winner will receive this Baking Spirits Bright Collection, washi tape, enamel dots, titles and phrases. Also this die set. And be sure to let me know if you actually want this die set. If you plan to buy the matching stamp set. Otherwise, this is not really going to be useful without the stamp set, I don't think. So be sure, whoever wins this giveaway, let me know if you want the die or not. You'll also receive the Baking Spirits Bright Collection and the Coordinating Solids paper pack. Okay, and all of that is from Echo Park. You'll also receive this cute little holiday themed spoon rest from Temp-tations, and that'll be it. So I'm trying to prolong this video so it'll be long enough where YouTube doesn't turn this video into a short. So forgive me for being slow, but there is a reason. So I wish you all could win this giveaway, and I want to thank all of you who entered and commented. I appreciate y'all so much, and that's it. Let's see who will win. We'll put in our number there. YouTube comments are 28. And let's pick ourselves a winner. Good luck to everyone. All right, Sandy N 3383. She says, oh shoot, I missed it. Oh, hello everyone. Thanks. Oh, that didn't work. I can't see her full comment. What did she say? I just love Echo Park paper. That's a really nice fall collection. Fall is my favorite season too. I love that Christmas collection too. And then she said something else and I can't see the rest of her comment. So there was a blooper for you guys. All right. Well, congratulations, Sandy. What you'll need to do is send me an email, and email me at shanda.simplecreations@yahoo.com, and I'll also leave my email in the description box below, and send me that email and I will get this package out to you as soon as I can. And again, thank you all so much for watching and entering my giveaway, and hopefully I'll have another one soon. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I hope to see you soon.